Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be the Oden's Eye Merry Christmas palette. Here is what the inside of this beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, amazing palette looks like. I did a video with the Christmas Eve palette yesterday and I love it. First time using Oden's Eye. Highly recommend them. New fan. Love them. So, we're just going to look like Christmas today. We're just going for it. So, the first shade that I'm going to use is this shade Poinsettia right here. Because it is just that stunning red. Also, these shades are super, super pigmented. So, yeah, I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Also, I don't know what it is, but like my eyes are kind of being kind of weird. So, hopefully, everything will end up okay. Also, I thought the shade was way more red, but it's totally pink, so that's okay. Not a big deal. Now we're gonna do this shade Hot Cocoa right here. It's like a rusty brownish red, or at least that's what it looks like. But sometimes with these lights, things, yes, that is exactly what that is. Things look different. I don't know, the Poinsettia shade looked more red toned to me, but on my skin, she is definitely pink. Like, whoa, baby, pink. Not like hot, well, yeah, bordering on the line of hot pink, I think. I mean, I like it, don't get me wrong. I was just thinking more red toned Christmas type, but that's okay. Okay, I mean, those two colors look gorgeous together, so it's working out really well. Okay. Here, we're gonna go in with this green. I think it's called Elf Wish. And I'm hoping this isn't more of a topper shade. It's like a, ooh, okay. Oh, did you see what just happened? It like turned to like this really cool like duochrome, like what just happened? Oh, yes. I love it. Like, what sorcery is this? This is like, okay. So, on the brush, see, it doesn't look really green. Looks more like a reddish, orangish shift. But this is what it looks like. Totally well, yeah, I guess you kind of can see that shift in the camera, but I guess I wasn't expecting it or paying that much attention to it. Oh, wow. And no, I swear I didn't get any of this over here on it. It just happened. It's just how the shade shifts. Wow. She pretty. Okay, I'm in love. This is just crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Like, it just does this awesome, amazing, beautiful shift. I just love this. Okay. That is just beautiful. Now for the lower lash line. I kind of feel like we have to do a blue shade because those are really the only other two darker shades. So I'm going to go in with the shade, let me set that down, Christmas Tree, which is the shade right here. And that's what we're going to do the lower lash line with. Now, for my little inner corner highlight. Sorry if you like, I got something in my eye. Let's go with this purple shade right here, Bless. Because it's just really pretty, and I just feel like it would look really, really nice with that blue. Ooh. So pretty. Like, you guys know I love Beauty Bay. I feel like this gives Beauty Bay a run for their money. I'm just using that as an example so you guys know like how impressed I am with these, because I am that Beauty Bay girl. Like, I just love Beauty Bay. Okay, so let me go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back and this is the finished look. And I absolutely love how this turned out. Again, this is the Oden's Eye Merry Christmas palette. This is just, whew, so beautiful. And also, like with the Christmas Eve palette, I also got this cute little keychain right here. And I am in love with this formula. I wish I would have tried Oden's Eye sooner. And also just this lip that I have on. It's just this Ruby Kisses Butter Bomb Gloss. This is the shade Blushing, and it's what I have on my lips today. And I think it was only $4.99 on Amazon. It's a thicker gloss, which I like. It would go beautiful over like a nude lip, or even like a pinkier lip. And it's just, it's just moisturizing so soft, which my lips really need this time of year. So I would recommend picking one of these up. It's only $4.99 and it smells incredible. So if you guys are looking for a good lip gloss, that would be my pick. I can link it down below. And thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. I really do appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Just stay safe, have a wonderful day. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm hoping this video will be out before Thanksgiving, but you never know with how things go. So just thank y'all again, and I will see you in the next one.